Hey y'all, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Nefertiti, also known as the Corny Rainbow. So a little bit about me. I've been sewing almost my entire life. I started sewing during childhood. My mom would have us cut out patterns and turn out spaghetti straps and just do all of the tedious things. So I've been sewing consistently for the past 10 years. And I also have a website, which is the Corny Rainbow as well. Also on Instagram as the Corny Rainbow. On all of my social media, I am the Corny Rainbow. I love unicorns and rainbows, and that is the merge of the Corny Rainbow. That is how the Corny Rainbow blossomed. You can expect a variety of style on this YouTube channel, and my goal is to share at least one video a month. Please do not get mad at me if I don't, because life happens. I'm gonna set that goal for myself now. I just turned 39 and I wanted to finally get my YouTube channel going. So I hope that you guys enjoy my channel, the content that I share. So let's get into our first video, which is a birthday unboxing, or sharing some of the gifts that I got for myself. So let's just get right into it. Tabitha Brown's collection just came out in Target, and I missed the first release with all of the colorful clothes, and I managed to get like one shirt on the clearance rack a couple of weeks ago. So I'm happy I got like one, well, I actually got two pieces from the Tabitha Brown collection, but this time I managed to get a lot more. Special shout out to my big sister, who gave me a Target gift card for my birthday, and it went to good use. First, I got these candles, and they have different sayings on them. So the first one is "You Are Seen," the pink one, and then this yellow one is "Very Good." We know she uses that phrase a lot. "Like So Like That" for the green one, and then "Hello There." So these are some candles. They are soy candles. I'm very happy about, and I can't wait to use these. So a little hack: don't throw these away. Like, save your candles after you use them, and then make your own wax and continue to use these candle holders. So that's part of my plan. These are so pretty. Like, I can't just get rid of these after they're done. Like, I'm not. So that's what we're gonna do with these candles. So that's one thing. The next thing that I got from the Tabitha collection, the Tabitha Brown collection, are these it's stoneware. Okay, I'm gonna take these out and show y'all, and I'm also planning to just use these in my sewing space for like pins and, you know, just things in the sewing room. So this is the first one, and that's her dog Blackie. It's so cute, y'all, and it's colorful. That's what I love too. She's very colorful, much like me. This is the next one, and you can see like how big that is. I love these plates. The last one is this blue one, and it's in the shape of a rainbow. So like, this is perfect for me. This one says "Hello There," and they sit inside each other, inside the big one, really nicely. Like so, like that. So I'm really happy that I was able to get something from this collection. I also got a couple more candles. So this one is in that same black print as the stoneware. And then I got this candle as well. Obviously, I love candles. This one is a sandalwood and chamomile scented candle with notions of vanilla and geranium. I also got this mug. Clearly I am feeling this black print. She had some that said like hello there as well, but I like these better. This tumbler, and there was another option of a tumbler that said hello there with no palm leaves on it. So I don't know if you guys can see that, but it has palm leaves on it. I feel like a bougie baddie or something when I drink out of this. This pillow. Now she had a few throw pillows. There was a smaller one that said hello there, and there was a pink one that had like one color, this pink color here, and it was like floral. And I think she had a green and white one, but obviously we need more color in the rainbow room. I think that is it for the Tabitha Brown collection, but I was looking for like notebooks and some of her journals. I could not find the journals that I wanted of hers. So she had some that say that's my business. I couldn't find that one, so I'm gonna try to find those online. I don't know if I'll have any luck, but we'll try. But that's it for the Tabitha Brown birthday haul. So the next thing that I'm going to share are some patterns that I found the past few months. There's been a couple of sales at Joann, and I managed to get some Simplicity, some New Look, a little bit. I got a Butterick and a couple of Vogue. Not many, but I figured since I'm already here sharing all my birthday goodies that I might as well share these too, because we're throwing them in the birthday list too. So I'm just gonna jump right into it. So the first one is this Simplicity. I want to make sure y'all can see that. Simplicity 9614, okay? And it's basically like a shirt, unisex shirt for men and women, and the dress version. So I plan on making both, but first we're gonna do the dress version. So that's one. Simplicity 9614, New Look 6729, and I'm really feeling like the side out right now. Like side out is really popular. It's been for the past couple of summers, so I'm gonna stick with it. I'm gonna stay beside it, and we're gonna test that one out. Next one is another New Look pattern, another side out dress. Next one is New Look 6718, and I thought this one was really cool too. I like the button feature, and then it also has like some gathering in the right here by the bodice. I mean in the bodice area. So I was really feeling that. It was just like a different little detail that I hadn't seen on any other patterns that I already have. And this is New Look 6737. So we got some shorts, we got a shirt, cover up type, and then we have the bra, or you can make this like a swimsuit. I'm assuming like a swimsuit top. This dress caught my eye too, and this is New Look 6694. So I really like that tie up around the shoulder right here, but I thought that was pretty cute. And it's just like a gathered skirt. It has a belt as well. Really cool. I think a nice linen for this pattern would be really good, and I honestly love wearing linen all year long. So Butterick 6880. I really like these pants and this shirt as well. I feel like you can't have enough shirt pattern. This is Vogue 1893. This top is really similar to a look that I did for my birthday fit. I really love crop tops, and they're really fun to skate into. I do skate. I do a lot of things, y'all. I will try to keep this page mostly sewing though, but we gonna see. Vogue 1861, and I just love this. Come on, around the neck. Look at that. Like it's the bow and all of that for me. So I even thought of ways that I could probably hack this and maybe do like a jumpsuit instead of a dress. But we gonna see where the zipper placement is, because I didn't really check that out, and see if it will be doable for getting in and out of to use the bathroom. This is Vogue 1707, and I think it's pretty self-explanatory what's going on here. Your girl loves all things blazers, all things suits, so this pattern needed to be in my stash. I think that is it for my pattern haul. So I'm just gonna jump right into another little gift that I got for myself, and it is from my girl Aronica, her store Harmony Trace Apothecary. And I had been eyeing this bag for a little bit, and she was so generous to have a birthday sale of her own for her website, where she gave 39% off. Y'all go check my girl out. 39% off all of her items, and I managed to get this bag. She always supports me. She's a humble baddie. She's got my humble hoodies. She has my lion hoodie. Like, get you some friends that support you, okay? That's all I'm saying. And support them back. So thank you, Aronica. When you see this, I am unboxing your my birthday gift from you that you didn't know was my birthday gift on this my first YouTube video. So I got this, come on y'all, this rainbow leather clutch, and I literally haven't even opened it up. I peeked in the box to see it. There's some really cute stickers that she included as well, and a thank you note. So it's those little personal touches when you you know, shop from small businesses, and I love to support Black owned businesses. So it has a few compartments, all right, and it does not zip up, but we do have a strap. I really love this bag, y'all. It's the simple things, and I feel like this will match with pretty much all of my rainbow looks. So thank you very much, Aronica. Y'all go support my girl at Harmony Trace Apothecary. I also got this palm leaf pen, and it's so cute and dainty. Like, if I'm gonna be, you know, writing in my planners and my journals and trying to manifest all the things, I need to have a pretty pen. The pen needs to be penning. Yeah, okay, I thought so. So that is it for my birthday unboxing. I'm going to sign off. Thank you guys for tuning in. My name is Nefertiti, aka the Corny Rainbow. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Until next time, peace. Which I'm very happy about. Oh shit. I love you, honey, and go on about y'all business and have the most amazing day. But even if you can't have a good one, don't you dare go messing on nobody else's here. My God, I thank you. So next week, not next week, because we're not doing that.